Hi, I'm Seagong, and welcome to my channel where I teach my personal martial art, Bagua Kuntao Silat. And today I'm going to show you how to defend or escape from a twisting behind the back arm lock, and also where my neck and head is also twisted and pinned, so I'm potentially prohibited from trying to get out of it. I'm more controlled, per se, and a more submissive position, and also much more difficult, and the other person can feel much more clearly me trying to escape, so he can try to counter me and elicit more pain by torquing more in my joints and pulling more. And you can see how he applies it from here. And he's torquing this wrist,
drawing all the slack out of this wrist,
and he's pushing my elbow higher up behind my back.
I got his elbow pinned with my body,
And he's trapping that.
I got his head with my arm and hand. So I have all of his body weight, and I have access to pain with my hand and my elbow.
And he's pushing higher, so I'm up on my toes almost. And you can feel it. And I'll show you from the front. And I'll show you from the front so you can see, but now that you've seen it from that side.
Your arm's stiff.
Yeah. And yeah, you can see here how he's got me. And the only way I can escape this is by going with, there's always a force, there's always a motion that the person who puts this on you is moving, and you just follow that force and you cancel out this, and you can hear me barely talking because he's restricting my airflow. And that's what they do, and they twist your neck when they do so. So when he does that, and I can feel his body pushing my elbow and he's still torquing my wrist, I simply go with that and turn, coiling my body. I move with it and flip it back on him the other direction. And now you can see I followed up with a sapu, slammed his head on the ground. It'd be different, but you have to do that. He doesn't feel it. I'm relaxed the entire time. That allows him to put more torque on me because I'm not fighting it, but I am fighting it just a little bit. I have to give him some resistance or he'll automatically think something's up. But when I give him that little resistance, that's just for him to be able to articulate the joints in a way that he believes I'm trapped, but I'm truly relaxed, and I simply step through. I don't try to force out with my arm, or he's going to immediately counter me and twist me even harder because he's going to feel that slack that I've suddenly found but was always there. But I simply re-articulate my skeleton by stepping around and controlling my center, and while he's got me, I've got him. I can feel where his center is, and I'm moving him off balance. So now he's thinking about that. In that split second, I turn around and take him out.
As soon as your hand was on me, I was
balanced. And that's sort of what I'm doing is he's trying to feel his way and reapply that twisting rear arm lock on me, and it's simply not going to work behind the back because by the time he realizes he can't reapply it, and when he does, I'm already standing behind it and I'm throwing him, and that's the idea. Thank you for watching. Seagong at Bagua Kuntao Silat, and please like and subscribe. See you later.